In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Google accounts from Chrome in 2025, step by step. This is a really useful tutorial if you want to clean up your browser, remove an old profile, switch between accounts more easily, or get rid of a Chrome account you no longer use. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click your profile icon. This is where Chrome keeps all of your signed in account profiles, so it's the first place you need to go. After you click your profile icon, a small menu will appear. From there, look for the gear icon, which is the Manage Chrome Profiles option. Go ahead and click that. This will open the Profile Manager, where you can see all of the Chrome profiles connected to your browser. Now take a moment to find the account profile you want to delete. If you have multiple Google accounts saved in Chrome, make sure you choose the right one because deleting a profile removes that browser profile from Chrome. Once you find the correct profile card, look for the three dots on that card and click them. A menu will pop up with a few different options. In that menu, select Delete. Chrome will ask you to confirm your choice, so click Delete again to finish the process. And that's it. The Google account profile has now been removed from Chrome. If you wanted to clean up your browser or remove an account you don't use anymore, you've just done it in only a few clicks. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.